morning, my YouTube friends. Monica here with MyWyoStyle. Remember, God loves you. Today is a rainy, cloudy day, and I don't know what we're gonna get done today, but we're gonna try to hit a few garage sales, and we wanted to bring you along with us. So let's go. Ronda's yard is looking so beautiful. All her flowers are coming up. Her new bushes look good. And she's got some lilies coming up. Good morning.
I've been watering everything.
Yeah.
Went out and sprayed some of the weeds behind the house to try, the fence to try and kill them.
Gosh, those planters look amazing. We did do a good job, didn't we?
Yeah. This one looks really good. I love those beautiful petunias.
Gosh.
Unusual colors.
Those are, and look at these lilies. Wow.
Yeah, they're going to start. We had all that hail
got a
kind of really
whole
set them
row.
back.
Gosh, those are absolutely gorgeous. I forgot what color they were. Your roses look good.
I just plucked the whole.
Here are some stepping stones that Rhonda made with her grandkids. Look at this flamingo. Isn't it adorable? Butterflies. And then they made a mermaid. We are mermaids. We love, 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 love being in the water.
Missing there and got the glue one in. I had it, and Ellery kept taking it out.
And she got a new rug. Trying to let it relax. It's brand new. It takes a while for all those wrinkles to get out. And the dogs. The dogs had to come out and look too. Come on, Kona.
Hey, Kona, don't just stand there in the doorway. Do stand there in the doorway.
Yeah. Okay, stand in the doorway. Stand in the doorway. Okay, we are leaving the house, guys. Down with the garage door. Made out of foam. That's pretty neat. Ooh, those pots and pans are gorgeous. Wow. Very nice.
I thought it was pretty good.
What is this thing?
That is actually a shower seat.
Oh, pretty
Also dish
fancy.
in it, yeah.
Yeah, that's way cool. None of my showers are big enough for something like that. Wow. A lot to look at too. Huh?
Yeah.
Ooh, that's beautiful. I think,
Candle, and I suppose you put water in the bottom.
yeah. Do anything you want.
Stews.
Soups and stews.
Chicken stock, beef stock.
Boy, that's a nice
Pie
light
crust
projector.
mushroom.
Wow.
Peas ham. Smoked fish chowder.
We love pea and ham soup.
Mulligatawny. Mulligatawny. Never heard of it. I've
That
heard of
sounds
mulligatawny.
delicious. Yes. Ooh, here's some fan.
Oh, they want to sell the whole fan.
That's true.
We haven't went over to that.
Wow, those are gorgeous. This is the nicest garage sale we've ever been to. I'm definitely getting this.
Yeah, that's nice. With the
Got a lot of beautiful
for $5
things.
or 15 for 10. With a whole box for 50. I'll make you a deal.
I ended up with that soup book. This beautiful plate. And a lunchbox.
So that's $4.
That's a cool blanket.
yeah, that is cute.
Off we go again.
Yes.
has the nicest car. I walked the wrong way.
Look at this.
What? That happened to mine. Mila is throwing her suitcase in there and ripped the. And hit this and ripped it. They get ripped, I guess.
Guess I'll have
Found another sale. Let's go see what we could find. Look at this beautiful mailbox.
Oh, I was just looking for you. You need any of these or several of them?
No, I do not.
I thought you needed it to mix your soap.
I got one.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, we found one at another
Right,
yard sale. I'm thinking about this for the grandson though. That'd be pretty cool.
An old picnic basket.
Yeah. What are these for?
Like little pans to bake something. Oh, to make taco things.
Oh,
What do you think?
Yeah. Okay.
I see everybody's selling those. They don't work. They turn upside down and upside
Yeah.
down. Oh, here's another one of these chairs.
Oh,
I
yeah.
wonder how much they went for that. That's got the double. That's
Yeah.
the double's better.
Both of ours has that double. Yeah, you were looking at one at.
A thrift shop.
Yeah, I bet that one works.
Doesn't have a, don't have a price on anything. Oh, this is a what tile cutter?
Yes.
For like, I have one and my brother wanted to buy it from me.
Wow.
He's using it. You want to sell that? I'll buy it.
It's got the guides and all that stuff, and I got my keto on that one, or my,
Ronda and I picked up some cherries yesterday, and we are going to try to make some cherry jam. Rhonda's already busy working. This is the cherry pitter. Go ahead and do it, sweetheart. There you go. And it just pushes the pit right out, and then it falls. I'll get on the other side so you can see it. They get stuck in the other side, and she's having to pull them out because some of them are really fat. And then we're going to put them in this pan to make the jelly. Yeah, we're making a mess here. Our hands are all yucky. Rhonda's trying to finish pulling off the last of the meat on the seeds. We got it all over the counter, all over our tea bags, all over our jars. Yeah, it's a messy situation, but we're getting it done. So we are now cooking down those cherries till they get soft and reduced at least to 3/4 of these pans. Then we'll be back. We'll show you what the next process is. We're still finding pits though.
Well, I'll put the lemon juice in it, and then I'll let you measure the sugar and the pectin, since this is your batch.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4.5, 6, 7.5, 9.
9 tablespoons of
1
lemon.
tablespoon for each cup
1 tablespoon lemon juice per cup.
of puree.
How much sugar do we usually put in there?
What, you know, you added 6 or 7, I think 7 cups to this because it said
Oh,
to do
yeah.
just 4.5, and then we tasted it and said it wasn't strong enough.
Yeah.
So we added
2
either
more.
6 or 7. 6.5. Okay, 2 more.
Yeah, 2 more cups.
I knew it was
of-
between 6 and 7.
Perfect, yeah. We like our jam sweeter.
Well, I think most jams are. I
Yeah.
think it was just this recipe I had for some reason.
And the pectin is 1 tablespoon per cup,
Yeah,
correct?
yeah. So we
Yeah.
need to put the sugar and the pectin together.
Okay, I'm going to measure the sugar, 7 cups, and 9 tablespoons of pectin, and we'll come right back to you.
The juice, so you said about 6.5 or 7 cups of sugar.
So we're gonna, this is 9 cups of cherry juice. We blended in our Vitamix, and we got our lids going, so we're gonna get this one started. We are now going to start canning these jelly jars. Try to move them over so Rhonda can reach them. And we like to do them finger tight. We put almond extract, is that how you say it?
Mm-hmm.
To this recipe right at the end, right when we turned off the heat.
Just spice it.
Ooh, hot, hot, hot.
I'm going to save the half pint for the end in case
Okay.
I have a...
That's a good idea.
Cause
Trying to move these over so Rhonda can fill them and reach them. And she tries to put the filled ones closer to me so I can get the lids on. And again, we're just tightening these up finger tight. We're not cranking them down. And we found out that these are Bing cherries, correct?
yes.
We couldn't remember what they were when we picked them up yesterday. It was just a little roadside store, wasn't it? Like in a shack. Nana's shack.
Yeah, nanas.
Nana's shack.
I think there's too much for half a plate and...
Not enough. Just put it in here and I'll eat this one.
Okay, I need my...
So we're not going to have enough to fill a whole pint, but that one we'll just leave open at home so we can just keep it coming. So we love
I got a
jam.
seed.
And Rhonda found a seed. It's a good way to get rid of it. I don't know why this one won't go on there.
See, it's a little over a...
This jar is not a correct.
Uh-oh.
Yeah. I'm going to pour it into the
Okay.
candy jar. If I
It's gonna
can.
be kind of hot. Yeah,
Woo-hoo!
it's gonna
Whoa,
turn it
that
up and
is
it's like,
very
okay.
hot. Very
I
hot.
think I won't.
Okay, that's what happens when you're in the middle of canning jam. Okay, we'll see ya. So here's the end result of our cherry jam. If you notice, it's just like a thick syrup, and I think it had a lot to do with not putting 1 cup per sugar for the juice that we had when we made it, and so it didn't set up, but we are definitely enjoying it on pancakes. I will list the ingredients and the recipe down in the bottom, and if you want to make syrup, this makes a great syrup. Well, have a great rest of the evening, and may God bless you.